Hi guys, this is Puneet Basan, Assistant Professor in M.A. Rangunala Institute of Hotel Management Research, and today I'm going to talk in short about cooking methods. You know how to classify cooking methods. So there are four classifications. First one is moist methods, where the moisture is used or water is used to cook the product. So we start with boiling, we have simmering, steaming, pressure cooking, poaching and blanching. I would just give a small brief of each. Boiling point of water 100 degree, product is cooked. Simmering is slow fire, so you are simmering at 85 to 90 degree centigrade water temperature and the product is not moving much. Then you have steaming. Steam is at 106 degrees centigrade. So if you are steaming a product, it is going above boiling point of the water. Then you have pressure cooking. So you all know at home you are using pressure cooker. Even in the industry, a lot of pressure cooking jackets and containers are used. So pressure cooking is you are not only applying the moisture, water boiling, you have steam also generated and under a pressure, so you create more pressure so that cooking is much faster, so save the time. Then we have poaching is a slow process, again for soft kind of products like fish. So poaching is at around 80 degrees, 75 to 80 degrees centigrade, and water should not roll, because if the water rolls the product gets disintegrated into the water. Then we have blanching is done generally for soft food items, or you can say green leafy vegetables, wherein you need to just put the product for few seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds in the boiling water, and it just gets cooked like spinach and like fenugreek. And then we have dry heating methods. We all know about the oldest methods: roasting, grilling, toasting, baking, sauteing and frying. In this sauteing and frying we use oil as a medium. So these are the methods, and we all know tandoor is one of the roasting methods. Pot roasting, barbecue is also roasting. Grilling, you need to get good grill marks, and that is how it is called as grilling. Then we have combination methods: braising and stewing. Stewing is like simmering for longer amount of time and used for uh, cuts of meat which are very tough, and braising is also used for cut of big sizes of meat so that it is cooked for longer time and it gets done from inside also. Then we have latest technologies which came up, and solar cooking is one of them, and microwave cooking is another one, but it takes a lot of time cooking through solar medium, because you need to get sun rays. It totally depends on the sun rays and the atmosphere outside environment. And microwave cooking is also there, but the only thing, in all other methods the cooking is from outside in, the heat goes from outside in. On microwave cooking the heat goes from inside out, so this is a little bit different. So sometimes people might not be able to check the product whether it is cooked or not, because from outside it doesn't look cooked, but from inside it might start burning and smelling. Once smell come, then only you will figure out that the product is already cooked. So guys, thank you very much. These are some cooking methods, and we will meet again in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.